Now see question number 5. Find x if. Okay, 5a, 9% of x is rupees 36. Now 9% of x is rupees 36. So it becomes 9% means 9 by 100 into x equals to 36. So x equals to 36 into 100 by 9. We are transferring the 9 by 100 to this side. Now when we do it, it becomes the reverse. So it becomes 100 by 9. So 36 into 100 by 9, 9 and 36 can be cancelled. 4 into 100 becomes 400. So our x is 400. Next you see 5b. Half percent of x is 250, or half by 100 into x is 250, or half into x equals to 250 into 100. We are transferring the 100 to this side, so it becomes into 100. So half into x equals to 25,000. Therefore x equals to 25,000 into 2 by 1, because this fraction when you transfer to that side becomes reverse, so it becomes 2 by 1. So 25,000 into 2 becomes 50,000. Okay. Number C, 4.3% of x is 86 kg, or 4.3 by 100 into x equals to 86. Now we are removing the decimal point from 4.3, so it becomes 43 by 10 by 100 into x equals to 86. So we are transferring the 100 to this side, becomes 86 into 100. Then what we will do, we will transfer the 43 by 10 to this side, so it becomes 10 by 43. So 8600 into 10 by 43. So after the final cancellation, our x value is 2000 kg. Next you see question number 6. What percent is, number A, rupees 30 of rupees 150. Now how will you find out this? In this case what you will do, rupees 30 of rupees 150, required percent will be, you divide 30 by 150 into 100%. Okay, so we will cancel them. After the final cancellation, our answer is 20%. Always remember, if the question is what percent is, then you have to write the first number as the numerator and the second number as the denominator. Okay. Next is 160 meter of 4 kilometer. Now here you see there is a difference in the unit, so we'll convert them to same unit. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, therefore 4 kilometer equals to 1000 into 4 equals to 4000 meter. Therefore required percentage is 160 divided by 4000 into 100%. So after final cancellation, our answer is 4%. Okay. 6 2 by 3 grams of 900 grams. So we are converted to mixed fraction, improper fraction. After that, our required percent is 20 by 3 by 900 into 100%. So 20 by 3 into 1 by 900, we are transferring the 900 to this side into 100%. So after cancellation, it becomes 20 by 27%. Okay. Number E is also same, the units are different, so we are converting the meter to centimeter, and rest we are doing as it is. Now see question number 8. Aman deposits rupees 1800 per month in his savings bank. If this is 20% of the monthly income, find his monthly income. Okay. Now savings per month, how much does he save? Rupees 1800. And rupees 1800 is how much percent of his total income? 20%. So we need to find out his total income, that is the monthly income. So let the monthly income be x. According to question, 20% of monthly income, that is x, equals to rupees 1800. Now 20% means 20 by 100 into x equals to 1800, or x equals to 1800 into 100 by 20, because when you change the side it becomes reversed. So ultimately after the whole cancellation, our monthly income becomes rupees 9000. Now you see question number 9. Vaibhav did not go to school for 36 days in a year. If his absence from school is 15%, find the number of days the school opened. Okay. Now, we have to write down the given first. Number of days he was absent is 36. What is the percentage? It is 15%. We need to find out the total number of working days. So, let the number of days school was open be x. According to question, 15% of his total days, that is x, equals to 36. Now 15% means 15 by 100 into x equals to 36. We are transferring to that side, so it becomes 36 into 100 by 15. So ultimately after the whole cancellation, it becomes 240. So 240 days the school was open. See question number 10. Gunpowder contains 65% niter, 15% sulfur and rest of it is charcoal. Find the amount of niter, sulfur and charcoal in 8 kg of gunpowder. Okay. Percentage of niter is 65% and percentage of sulfur is 15%. Therefore, percentage of charcoal is, how will you find out the percentage of charcoal? We will add these two percentages and we'll subtract it from 100%. When we do it, it becomes 100% minus 80% gives us 20%. Now we need to find out the exact amount of niter, how much niter is present, because we only have the percentage. Now amount of niter is 65% of 8 kg, because total gunpowder is 8 kg. Now 65 by 100 into 8, so after the whole cancellation it becomes 5.2 kg. Next is amount of sulfur. It is 15% of 8 kg, because 15% is given the percentage. So 15 by 100 into 8, after whole cancellation it becomes 1.2 kg. Lastly, amount of charcoal. 20% we have already found out. Okay, so 20% of 8 kg, so 20 by 100 into 8, after the whole cancellation and division it becomes 1.6 kg.